How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix WhatsApp call unavailable issue, firstly open App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now launch the settings application on your device. Tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the WhatsApp option there and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further. In setting itself, go back and now scroll down, tap on the WhatsApp option. Here, make sure the toggle button for microphone is toggled on. Now open the WhatsApp application and see if the issue was fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, go to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp application. You will see the option for Remove App. Tap on that and then tap on Delete App. Delete WhatsApp from your device and install it again from the App Store, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.